one object in space takes around. For example, the Earth orbits the Sun in an oval path. So, in the solar system, there is the Sun and 8 official planets. I'm going to say them in order from the nearest to the furthest away from the Sun. These 8 official planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I have 2 favorite planets. These are Earth and Jupiter. Earth is the only known planet that has a life because it has oxygen, water, and the correct temperature for living things. Earth is special because it is an ocean planet. 70% of Earth's surface is filled with water. The other 30% is just mountains and rocky surfaces. Moving on, Jupiter. Jupiter is called a gas giant. It is nearly entirely made out of gas. Jupiter is also known for the fastest and strongest storm. One of Jupiter's famous storms is called the Big Red Spot, and it is still going strong. Amazingly, you can also fit 300 Earths inside Jupiter. It is kinda obvious because Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Enough with the planets, let's move on to the other objects I made in this solar system. I made an UFO, a comet, an astronaut, and a rocket. This time, I will only explain a bit more about the comet and the rocket. This icy ball of dust and rock and also orbits the Sun is called a comet. Now, if the comet orbit brings it close to the Sun, it can heat up and form a dust hill that points away from the Sun. Meanwhile, the rocket is man-made. Its frame is made out of metal. Now, usually, a rocket has a pointed cone at the top, a slim body, and some fins at the bottom. Rockets are used to launch satellites and space shuttles into space. Their super powerful engine can blast spacecraft into space at incredible speed and putting them in the correct orbit. There's so many to explore in outer space. Well, that's the end of my presentation, and I hope you learned something from that. Thank you for listening.